Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to record a Roblox with voice. So guys, before starting, if new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. First of all you have to open browser and just search for OBS. Search for this keyword, and this is a free live streaming and video recording, screen recording software. So you can use it for your Roblox gameplay so recording. So you when you open this page, you will find three platform here you can use for this software, which is OBS Studio. You have to click on Windows if you are using Windows, or you can choose Mac OS or Linux. So when I click on this Windows, the file will the setup of the OBS Studio is about 129 MB. You can download. I already installed it, so I'll show you how can you use it. Right now, my recording has been going on with this software. You can see this is our OBS. First of all, when you create a new, if you have a, if suppose if I create a new scene here, so you will see a blank scene completely when you create it. So if I create a new scene here, and this is right now blank, and so basically right now you can see this screen here. So if you want to record your game, what you have to do is you just need to click on this add button over here in the sources. Just click on this add button and go just choose the display capture. Click on it, and when you create a new display capture, like I create a new display capture here. When I create it, it will ask you to choose what method you are going to choose. So you can choose anything. You can keep the automatic. So whatever will be on your screen will be recorded completely. So let's keep it automatic. And if you want to choose different resolutions, right now my PC supports 920 and 1080 resolution, so you can keep it and just click on OK. When you click on OK, now you don't have to do anything. You just need to click on this start recording. Right now my recording has been going on using this software, so you just need to click on the start recording option from here, and when you open your game, like when you open or when you play any game, it will start recording. And now let's come to the voice. So first of all, you must have a premium or some good quality microphone. So right now I'm using 5 microphone. So what you have to do, whenever you connect your microphone, you have to choose it from here. So you have to click on three dot over here and just click on properties, and you have to choose your mic from here. So you can choose your mic, and once you choose your mic, and now you can start recording your game with your voice. You don't need to do anything. And now you can see that you must be hearing my voice with this gameplay. And if you want to voice over, like if you have recorded already your gameplay and just want to voice over, you can use the video editor, some of the video editor on your PC, and just voice over it using your microphone. This is another way. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye bye.